What does it take to be an industry leader? To be the #1 provider of integrated chemical and equipment solutions? It takes creativity, expertise, teamwork, reliability, commitment and dedication, precision, and agility. Who is Dymax? We're a leading manufacturer of rapid light cure technologies, technical experts, solution providers, and a dedicated partner. Our core values reflect how we do business. We're excellence enablers, customer advocates, team collaborators, quality champions, and result drivers. We strive to solve problems for our customers with unmatched research and development, experienced technical and application engineers, environmentally friendly products, specialized customer support, and a global footprint and supply chain. The markets we serve include automotive electronics and parts assembly, aerospace and defense, consumer electronics, energy, and medical devices. Our mission is to make manufacturers more capable and efficient by offering complete solutions that boost productivity, enhance quality, improve worker safety, achieve sustainability goals, increase efficiency, lower energy costs, and grow profitability. We achieve this by understanding where our customer is going, what their goals are, how we fit into their process, and what solutions can make a difference. Our commitment is to our customers. Since 1980, we've been providing manufacturers with a competitive advantage that they can't get anywhere else. At Dymax, we deliver more than technology. We deliver solutions.